Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to mute a conversation on Messenger, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should click on the chats button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Tap on chats and select the conversation that you would like to mute, meaning that you won't receive any notifications from this person. So select the conversation, slide to the left side until the more options appear. Click on it and then tap on the mute button. Now you can mute this chat. You can mute the message notifications, call notifications, or both the message and call notifications. So click on the relevant one and then mute the chat for the selected time period for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or until I change it. So basically, that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.